Hello everybody, Rajni here from Sashak Empowering Lives. So today's video is very interesting. It is how do you teach a child a science or an EVS concept such as water cycle. In this video, as you will see, this is going to be a combination of various small videos. As in, first, we have to make the child understand the concept which has to be done using experiential connect. What that means is you have to give the experience. So, after this description, you will see a short clip from the Zoom session that happened. With the student, it wasn't an offline class that day because I had to give a demonstration on the gas burner. So this child was home and I was at my home because in the office we don't have the burner. So you will see now a clip of the Zoom session where I am explaining to the child how water gets converted to vapor when it is put on gas. So, and then once the child knows the entire process, after that the child is taught sentence by sentence using sentence cut up approach at home, where they put one sentence, they're jumbled, and the child has seen the video, has seen the live demo and the recorded version of the video multiple times, and the child knows that when water is heated it becomes vapor, and when the plate is put on top it again condenses and it comes down, and then the child's learning is complete. And in the next video that is joined, you will see how this child is explaining the water cycle, and not just through rote but with a proper understanding. I hope you will get lots of ideas from this and do your EVS concepts the same way. Once you see the video, please comment how you liked it, and if you want us to make any more videos on science concepts, do let us know. Audio Jungle. Okay, so Durga, we are going to learn the water cycle, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Now, there are three things. There is a solid, no dancing, please. I'm also standing nicely. I want you to stand nicely. There's solid. Look, this bottle is solid, right? We cannot press it. है ना? This lighter is solid. We cannot press it. Yeah, it will not flow. It will not flow. Now, water in this bottle is not solid. It is liquid. It will flow. Katori solid, bottle solid, water,
Solid.
water,
Solid. Water in the bottle is liquid.
right. And all the steam you see that goes up, that is gas, right? All the steam, that is gas, right? So there are three ways of water. Water is solid. How water is solid? Like ice. Just look, Mama showed you ice making in the morning. Huh? Did you see? Huh. Now see, Mama, look. Is this flowing? Is this flowing? Or is it hard?
No.
It is
Hard.
touch it.
Yes, and this is flowing. Sweetheart, look. This is flowing.
That
You
is
cannot put
flowing.
ice in the bottle like this, right? That is solid.
Solid.
This is
This
Liquid.
is liquid.
liquid. And now we will do an experiment and we will make it gas. We will make water as gas. It is called vapor. It is called.
Vapor.
Now, Rajni is going to do this and Mummy is going to do this. Same. This is gas. Okay, gas burner. What am I going to do? I am going to put some water in a beaker and I am going to boil the water. Now this is patila. Okay? This is utensil. I'm gonna add some water to it and mummy will do it there also. Look.
Liquid.
Yes.
Touch it.
See, I put water. Mummy also put water. Now I will heat it.
Okay.
What I did, I started to heat it. So I started to heat it. It's getting hot. Okay? See, gas is on and it's getting hot. So we will wait for some time before it gets heated. Let it boil. What will happen? We put lot of heat on it and the water start to
Boil.
boil. Correct. Okay. So look where mama's doing and water is boiling.
Come. Stand still.
We will wait. Hands away from the nose, please. No digging your nose. Good girl. We will wait for the water to boil. It is going to take some time. It is boiling. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
See, that's the doorbell. What will you say? Rajni ma'am, somebody has come home. Please, can you see who is on the door? Say.
Please come today. Who is on?
Can you see who is on the door?
Can you see who is on the door?
Okay, while the water boils, I will check who's on the door and come. You wait, huh?
Hmm.
I will wait. Say.
I will wait.
Durga, I want you to meet somebody. There's Jay Bhaiya here. Mommy, can you put ice out of the fridge? Yeah? Keep it out so that we will show that solid will now turn into liquid.
Liquid.
So put it out. Jay, say hi.
हाय
Hi,
Yes.
Jay.
हाय कैसे हो
Hi,
आप
Jai Bhai.
She speaks English. Say how.
हाउ आर यू
Ask him, where have you come
Good morning,
from? Ask him.
Jai Bhai.
वेयर हैव यू
That was better. She said, good morning. Reply.
गुड मॉर्निंग
Ask him, where have you come from? Ask him.
Where are you come from?
आई केम फ्रॉम दिल्ली
अरे अभी जिम.
I came from gym. Sorry, I came from gym right now. Recently, my workout got over.
उतना नहीं समझे
नहीं,
बेटा.
I
I came from gym. And what are you doing right now? Ask him.
What are you doing right now?
am making my protein shake.
Wow.
Protein shake.
Protein shake.
चलो carry on. I think I kept too much water. Let me reduce the quantity so it boils faster.
ये क्या बनाने लगे हो?
ये water cycle सिखा रही हूँ. Solid liquid
Hey,
gas.
Bhaiya, hi.
Just say hi to.
Durga's dad. Hi,
Hi.
Jay. Congratulations
Yeah,
on
नीचे
the
होके
job
बात
and the way
So,
you're
आप
working.
Hello, Jai.
ये कहाँ है? Gym में. Stay. वो.
Ask him, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Thanks. You're an inspiration. I just wanted to let you know.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you,
Making
ma'am.
his
उसका
protein
बदले
shake.
कराने के लिए.
Yeah, I'm reducing the water so it boils faster. Aha, I can see. Now, Durga, see. See, the water is all going up. Can you see? Can you see the
Water is going up.
the vapor?
Boiling.
Yeah, it is boiling here also.
हाँ वहाँ दिखाओ क्योंकि इधर स्क्रीन में तो नहीं दिख रहा है. If you drain a little bit water, she'll see the
See, this is
धुआं going up.
See, Durga, this is vapor. Say vapor.
Vapor.
Now it is showing up here also.
See, you see the steam?
See, steam converting now.
Steam converting.
See,
Here, this is all steam. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So,
she could see it, must.
She could see it, na?
Yeah.
Now, as the water boils fully, take a plate and put it on top to collect the vapor. But let it boil so that there's vapor. Yeah. And hold it with some cloth so that it is not very hot.
Okay.
Yeah. See, Durga, what we will do? We will collect the vapor on this. Okay? How we
Okay,
will
ma'am.
collect the vapor? We will take this. See here. Water is
Boiling.
and we will collect the vapor on this steel plate. I put the
I put the
sti-
steam plate
on the
on the
hot water. Okay.
water.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Mummy, do it in front of her.
Okay. Durga. The steam is coming. And this is
Steam is coming.
water is boiling.
Water is boiling.
And this is vapor collected on the
And this is vapor collect on the
plate.
Now,
Yeah.
Durga, look, if I remove it, there is no more heat on it. Now it has again become,
vapor.
no, vapor has become
Water.
because there is no heat,
Heat
right?
Gone.
Heat is gone. I put it away from gas. Again, vapor become. See, water drop.
Durga, what is water cycle?
Sun heats the water bodies on the earth. Water becomes hot and rises as water vapor. This is called evaporation. Water rises high in the sky and
Gets
gets
Col-
collected as clouds. Up in the sky, the sun's heat is not there. It is very cold. This is called condensation.
Water vapor becomes
Water becomes small
droplets. Then clouds become
Clouds become very heavy.
with weight
With
of
weight of
what?
water
Dro-
droplets. They fell down as rain. This one
This whole process is called
water cycle.
very good.
Hope you liked the video. Hope it gave you lots of ideas. So, like, subscribe, share for more. And should you want any specific concept that we explain to you how to teach the child, do write that in the comments. Also, this very video, try the same thing at home with the child and do write in the comments how the child learned. I will meet you another time with another video. Bye-bye.